Hi, thank you for watching the previous episodes. Now this is after look back. हम चले रेनी के घर वापस। उसको जल्दी से ऑफिस पहुंचना था। बेचारी की शेड्यूल फिक्स थी। शूटिंग था बट लेट हो गई हमारे वजह से। फिर हम इसके घर पहुंचे। वहाँ शी गॉट रेडी एंड वेंट टू वर्क। और तिरनाओं का गाड़ी वहाँ से लेके हम निकले अपने नेक्स्ट स्पॉट पे। हमको इतना ज़ोर से भूख लग रहा था।
What is this and that is different?
Yeah, I will tell you later. This one is the fish. Is called we call sare, and it called wal katu. That catfish, no?
Catfish.
No. Walago.
Walago.
This one, okay.
Oh,
And then this one is called kangsoi.
that is
That one is with kangsoi. It's a boiled food.
boiled.
Yeah, with fermented fish.
Oh,
fermented
oh.
fish, This one dal. It is called iromba.
Irombano.
Yeah. This one is called uti. The one we eat in the morning, no? This one is fish.
Fish.
And this one is rajma.
Uh,
This one is rajma and some boris and all. Some vegetable. And this one is fruit.
what is that?
This
Sweet.
fruit.
Is it sweet?
No, it's it's sweet and little like it made with fruits, no, like little. You can taste it. And this one
okay.
is kheer.
Okay.
And this one is with the
Fish.
fish that
Fish head, na?
yeah, fish head.
And what is this?
This one is raw
Raw
fish.
fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just taste both. That's why I'm calling the two
Ah.
different.
For digestion, it is like sweet and sour, very tasty, yummy, and kheer with black rice. Delicious food. We could not finish everything.
क्योंकि मेरा लास्ट डे था तिनाओ ने जल्दी से ये प्यारा सा सनसेट पॉइंट दिखा दिया एंड दिस बंदा इज़ लिटरली रनिंग। तिनाओ नाउ हैज़ टू रन टू वर्क। मैंने पूछा होटल में ड्रॉप करने के लिए और फिर होटल पहुंच के पैकिंग किया एंड देन लेफ्ट फॉर दिस नेक्स्ट थिंग।
I'm on my own. I have come to the Ima Market. There are 3 such buildings. There's a very interesting story behind Ima. You can Google about it to get rid of the Assam Rifles uh, bully that was imposed on Manipur multiple years ago. 9 powerful women protested in a way that nobody in the world could tolerate. Everybody got to know because of different magazines, and human rights groups came to help, and Assam Rifles had to move out. The organization still exists, and these shops are in the name of that organization, Ima. There are multiple market spaces throughout Manipur that I have seen are always run by women. It's only women doing that task. Like, see, this is a very tiny gathering of shopkeepers, and they're all ladies. So let's go in and see.
They take from mud.
From mud, it's like snail.
No, no, no.
You make curry out of this. Do you make curry out of this? Ah, okay. Thank you. So that is a local dish. It's non-veg, and I don't know what it is. Kathum. Kathum is what they called it. The fishes are still alive. And okay, I don't know where to start from. It's such a huge place.
I just left Imphal just after the first security check. They have stopped at the place, and it's just 9:30 a.m. and rice is all they have. So
most of the places, this is the mouth freshener that you'll get, and it's epic. I love amla, and it makes total sense to me.